Hello guys, today we're going to be working with adding decimals. So you are going to see a problem that says find the sum of, and they give you a number with a decimal and another number with a decimal. The main thing you want to look at and underline is the word sum. That means addition. You want to write an addition over it so you do not forget. Next thing, when you're dealing with decimals, you need to line up the decimals. What does that mean? Well, let's start with the first number. So you have 23.1, and then you have 5.8. Well, the dot, which is a decimal, needs to go with the decimal. So I always put my decimals first just to remind me, and then I put the 5 where it belongs on this side, and then I put the 8 on this side. So now I have successfully lined up my decimals. If you don't see it, I can add a few lines to help you with that. So here is one problem, here is the other one, and here is the other one. Now, you don't want to have a gap like this under the 2, so you want to put an X just so you can remember, or some people like to put a 0, whatever you prefer. So now it's time to add. So we put our addition. Well, actually, before we add, I always tell my students, you have a decimal here, you have a decimal here, you need to bring down the decimal in the same place. So line up the decimals, then bring down the decimals. Now we're ready to add. So you have 8 plus 1 is 9. So you're going to put a 9. You've got your decimal there. Then you have 3 plus 5 is 8. So you're going to put an 8 there. Then you have 2 plus nothing. So it's just 2. So what is your final answer? Well, it's 28.9. And I always tell my students to circle their final answer so the teacher can see all the work plus the final answer. All right, write a comment if you'd like me to do another addition problem.